Syncing your videos and photos to the beat of a music piece just got so much easier. With the new upgrade of Davinci Resolve 20 Beta, they introduced a new AI tool called Show Music Beats. And I'm going to show you how you can use it too. Here we are in Davinci Resolve 20 Beta, and please keep in mind it's still a beta version. And once you've imported a music track to your timeline, you can now just click on the track and then right click on it and then go down here and say Show Music Beat. And now the beat is visible with these lines, and you can just snap your video footage or photos to these lines, which is so practical. And I've imported a series of photos that I want to work with, and I want to create an engaging short form content piece with these images, and I want to animate them, and I want them to be all on the beat. So the first thing I do, I try to make them all fit on the beat. So we can do that manually because it's not so many. So we just snap them onto the beat and make them fit on the line, and you can see it snaps in. It's super easy, and now I got them all on the beat. So every second beat the frame is changing, and to even make it a bit more engaging, I want to add some transitions in between the cuts. So we head over to the video transitions over there, and there are many cool transitions in the Davinci application that you can work with. And I just drag and drop it on my cuts here. And I mean, this is just an example, so I just do it randomly and let's see what we get there. Okay, now let's have a look how this looks when we play the track. I don't wanna go up solo loco. Don't you wanna come with me like Yoko? We can go lose ourselves in Tokyo. No one's gonna know we'll move like locals. Don't you wanna come with me? Don't you wanna come and see? We only live once, don't we? Don't you wanna be free? Okay, cool. This looks already quite nice. The cuts are all on the beat, and I mean, it's still a bit static, so you could add some movements into your images, so like more zoom ins, so that the image is constantly moving, and this gives even a better effect for short form content. And this is how easy it is now to synchronize your videos and photos to the beat of a music piece in Davinci Resolve 20 Beta with the new AI tool called Show Music Beats. And if you found this helpful, please leave me a like. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video.